Hello, I'm Kenneth Himmler, and I'm the CEO and founder of Integrated Asset Management, a wealth management and financial planning firm. Today, we're going to talk about some tips if you are a contract worker. Unfortunately, if you're a contract worker, unless you have a C corporation or an S corporation, meaning that you're filing as an individual proprietor, otherwise known as a Schedule C, you are going to be on the highest priority or target list for audits with the IRS. Therefore, I'm going to give you some tips as to how you can make sure that if you do get audited, that you have everything in the correct order. Number one, my first suggestion is this. Scan every receipt that you have. Every time that you get a receipt, write on that receipt what it is for, where it's from. The reason I say this is it could be 2 years, 3 years, 5 years until you get audited. Most likely at that time, that receipt, you will not remember exactly what it is for. The second item is if you're going to deduct your home as an office, the way that you do that is you measure the square footage of your office divided by the total square footage of the home. Once you obtain that percentage, you can take that percentage for legitimate deductions that relate to your business. TV is kind of a hard one to deduct because you probably watch that mainly for pleasure. If you're going to deduct your internet, make sure that you need that internet as far as your business. Same thing with your utilities. Now, your interest and your property taxes are usually better taken on your Schedule A itemized deductions, not on your business return. But if you're going to do that, then check with your CPA or accountant as to the effect that that will have on your Social Security. In addition, please make sure that you open up a separate bank account, and that is solely used for your business. Please do not ever mix, mesh, or combine your business expenses with your personal expenses. The IRS could determine that you are not running a legitimate business because you do not have those items separated. In addition, certain items you want to be very, very careful of when you deduct them. One, meals and entertainment. This is another hot item for the IRS. When you deduct a meal or entertainment, you want to make sure that you document who you met with, what the purpose of the meeting was, how long did you spend, what was the outcome of that meeting. Suggestion and ease is to write it on the receipt. This way, when you scan it, if you later get audited, you will have all the details to that information. The next item is a mileage log. Now, personally, I have found a hard run of trying to keep track of miles from one place to another place and documenting those miles. What I have found to be the easiest is keep a calendar in your car. On that calendar, write the appointment of where you're going and where you left from. That way, it's much easier to calculate the actual mileage that you need. The next item that I see a lot of our clients get caught with is when they are self-employed, they don't open up a PIN number with the IRS. They wait until the end of the year to pay their self-employment taxes and usually end up paying a penalty. So the first thing that you need to do is to contact the IRS, ask for an electronic electronic payment system for your self-employment taxes. They will assign you a PIN number. Then, no less than monthly, make sure that you are paying your self-employment taxes on time. Last but not least, income taxes. Now, sometimes this is very hard to estimate for self-employed people, but when you, on a monthly basis, try to estimate what your profit was. Simple accounting systems such as QuickBooks, you can run an end-of-the-month profit loss statement and make a tax payment to the IRS. This way, you are also not paying the penalties on those taxes due. Hopefully, this helps you today with tax tips for the self-employed or contract work. Again, my name is Kenneth Himmler, and I'm with Integrated Asset Management, a wealth management and financial planning firm. Thank you.